Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are gonna talk about a very common problem with a 24-inch iMac from 2021. The one with a M1 chip. Many users are facing strange horizontal lines on the screen. And if you are seeing this, don't worry. I'll explain why it happens and what you can do to fix it. So here's what happens. Out of nowhere, the iMac screen starts showing lines, flickering, or waves across the display. Restarting the Mac doesn't fix it. Reinstalling Mac OS doesn't fix it either. But here's a funny part. When you connect an external monitor, the picture is perfect. That means that the computer is fine, but the built-in display has an issue. According to repair experts, the problem comes from a tiny power cable inside the iMac screen. This cable sends power to the display and it heats up, especially if you keep your brightness high. Over time, the cable gets weak or even burns a little, and that causes those ugly lines to appear. So it's not a software bug, but it is most probably a hardware problem. Now let's talk about solutions. If you still have warranty or Apple Care, the best step is simple. Contact Apple support right away. They should repair it or replace it. And if you are out of warranty, don't panic. Many users have already asked Apple politely for a one-time exception or goodwill repair, since this looks like a manufacturing fault. And guess what? Some people got free replacements. So when you talk to Apple, try to be calm and respectful, and you can say something like, "This is a known issue on the 2021 iMac and it's happening to many users. Could you please consider a goodwill repair?" While waiting for repair, you can lower the brightness of your iMac screen. This reduces the heat in that cable and might slow down the problem. Or just use an external monitor as a backup. So to quickly recap, the lines come from a faulty cable inside the iMac display. It's not your fault and not a software bug. And contact Apple, ask nicely for repair even out of warranty, and use low brightness or an external screen until it is fixed. And if this happened to you, share your story in the comments so others can see how Apple handle it. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you very much.